Hello guys, so this is going to be the teardown video of Clodpi miner. So this is a fully functional miner. So you just need a screwdriver. You can remove the antenna. There are only 4 screws. So after removing this, take a screwdriver. You have to remove this also. So I bought this screwdriver to open this as it wasn't opening. So everything is removed. So just push gently with your hand and remove this cover. Actually it's a heat sink. So there is a pad for cooling, as you can see. You can remove this one also. Yes. So what we got here is can't remove this. This is the motherboard which is from Clodpi, and this is the main chip from the Helium. Actually the construction is very nice. If you want to change the antenna connector, you can do it here from here. You can remove this and get another SMA connector from the market and replace it. So that's it, and you have the wires for the LED, as you can see. That's it guys, hope you like the video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel.